What's up, guys? Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and today I bring you an Edelbrock Supercharged 3-valve. That's right, it's an Edelbrock Supercharged 3-valve. That is a 4.6 liter. We got a manual transmission on this one. It's pretty sweet. We're gonna have you guys check it out here. So we've been tuning it over the past couple days, and it's pretty sweet. They get a little hot, but so far this thing's pretty awesome. The belts have stayed on nice. It's not running super hot. So far we've made 436 horsepower, 436.4, 434.7. We did 495, but we had to adjust some things, turn that down. And then 474 on the last one for torque. So not bad, not bad. Keeping it a little on the rich side, so we're gonna add a little bit of sprinkle of timing in there and see if we can make a little more power. I just want like 450. 450 SAE, I think it'll be fairly safe. This thing is taking, we have no timing in it on those, like 10 degrees flat. So we'll give it some actual timing now, and I think it'll be pretty good. But tell me, what do you think? It sounds pretty good, doesn't it? It does. That's the one redeeming quality of the 3-valve to me, is that they sound good. Because it may be slower than pretty much all of the boosted 3.7s that we build, but it sounds a lot better. I cannot fight that, I cannot argue it. It sounds way better. Plus then, you know, you can say you got a V8, even if your V8 is slower than a V6. So it is what it is, technology moves on, but hey, good looking car, let's make some power. Alrighty guys, so right on the money, 458.7 horsepower, 492.3 foot-pounds of torque. Got it on smoothing 2 and SAE, same one as we started with, and that can be for the jerk who left us a 1-star review on Google, because in one of our videos we started off in SAE and ended in standard. So yeah, there you go, they're both on SAE now. Hope you're happy. Anyway, 458, 492. Not shabby. It torques up too. When you hit on it, it torques up. It's pretty good. Nice safe tune, not a lot of timing in it. You know, just a little over 10 degrees on that final pull, just to gain, you know, that 30 horse. But it stays nice and cool, doesn't really leak anything. His clutch will probably be next on the list for this guy, because at this point, with basically 500 foot-pounds of torque, almost the whole way, it's like 400 to 500 foot-pounds of torque, basically until 6,000 RPM. So it's pretty sweet. You can see the torque line. When I nail it at 2,000, it's already at 400 foot-pounds of torque. Kind of goes up, kind of goes down. It hangs out right around there, but that's where you see we got almost that 500 foot-pounds mark, right around the 4,000 RPM. So you have 4,150. Not bad at all. I'm impressed. This thing is going to be a blast on the street. Sounds awesome. The whine of that supercharger is absolutely sick. There's really not much better than it. How do you like how that sounded, Tommy? You like that whine? Yeah, it sounds pretty cool. Just that. You can't even really make the noise. You know, with turbos, you know how to make the noise. But that supercharger, it's just that gear whine sound that is unlike anything else. Whipples, VMP, Edelbrock, absolutely love them because of that. That sound is just amazing. But I think that's gonna be it. I'm gonna call the owner, tell him to come get his car, enjoy how much horsepower it's making. Tommy's gonna drop everything. But that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because we make all these for you guys so that you enjoy them. So leave a comment below if you enjoyed the video, or leave a comment if you think we should do something a little different. Maybe you want somebody else to talk and not me. I can have Cody on the camera more, Tommy on the camera more. Really, whatever you guys want, just let us know. So that's it for today. See ya later.